Right now, we're seeing an unusual disconnect in sentiment data for investing. A sentiment score at plus 0.40, yet momentum is sitting at minus 0.42. This divergence suggests that while sentiment is leaning positive, the underlying momentum is signaling a potential pullback. With our API, you can access this nuanced data to inform your strategies. It returns real-time sentiment scores, momentum indicators, and semantic clusters, helping you pinpoint trends in the investing landscape. Imagine you're developing a trading algorithm that reacts to shifts in sentiment. By integrating our API, you can set alerts for key sentiment changes while keeping a close eye on momentum to refine your entry and exit points. Dive deeper into the data at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's unlock the insights hidden in sentiment together.